welcome to my new Guitar Nerdery video, the musical interval second. We have two of them, a minor and a major second. Very dissonant, but on the other hand, tremendously characterful, emotional, and therefore beautiful. I'm gonna show you a very easy approach how you can integrate them into your playing. The definition of a minor second is the distance of one halftone step from one note to another. And the definition of a major second is the distance of two halftones. For example, this is a D, and this is an E flat. This is a minor second on one string. If I play a D and an E, this is a major second. But the most emotional character of these two intervals comes to life if we let them notes ring together. If I play the D here on the G string and the minor second E flat on the B string, then we get that interference, that great dissonance that comes with a lot of character. And the same with the major second would be if I play the D and the E. Now I'm gonna show you an easy approach how you can integrate that into your playing, just thinking in your scale shapes. I'm talking about 3 notes per string patterns. The backing track in my intro demonstration was in the key of D Aeolian. I'm gonna use a 3 note per string pattern here in the 5th position. And using such a 3 note per string shape makes it very easy to play them seconds, to let them ring together. Always the last note on the lower string combined with the first note on the next string is a second. Most of the times when we practice such a scale shape, we try to articulate every note, and especially when the string change comes, we do not want to let them ring together. But this time we exactly want this. Approaching the seconds this way makes it very easy. You do not have to think at all about the notes. When do I have to play a minor second or when is it a major second? It happens automatically because you just play the shape. Major second, also a major second, again a major second, but this, regarding the offset here, this is a minor second, and this also. But as I said, it happens automatically because I just play the shape. And of course you can adapt this concept to all 3 notes per string patterns of the Ionian system. Look here, what I just showed you I call pattern number 3. This is how it looks like in pattern number 2. And this is how it looks like in pattern number 1. I'm very fond of the character of dissonant seconds. I use it a lot in chords, in solo playing, and this approach is a lot of fun to do because you do not have to think at all. You just play what you play all the time, you use your scale shapes, the sound is at your fingertips. sixes. We have two of them, a minor 6 and a major 6. They are complementary intervals to the third, and they are equally melodic like the thirds. A very common way to play sixes on the guitar is like this. The learning curve of these sixth shapes is somewhat higher because it's a little difficult to connect them to scale shapes. I'm going to show you an easy approach using 3 notes per string patterns to play sixes without having to think about the notes or when do I have to play a minor 6 and when a major 6. My intro demonstration was in the key of G Dorian. I'm going to use what I call pattern number 2 of the Ionian system in the 3rd position to play G Dorian. Using such a 3 notes per string pattern to start into sixes playing is pretty easy. Take the first note of the lower string and the 3rd note on the next higher string. This is a major 6. By the way, the definition of sixes is the distance of 8 half tones is a minor 6 and 9 half tones is a major 6. And you can approach this within this 3 notes per string pattern on every pair of strings. Look, this is how it looks like. And of course it works with all diatonic 3 notes per string scale shapes. Shape number 4. This actually already was what I wanted to show you today. An easy approach to start into sixes playing. But let me give you a final tip, and this applies also to the intervals seconds. If you like to learn to move them sixes horizontally across the whole fretboard, then a very good approach is to learn all these 3 notes per string shapes. Then you can just move through your shapes. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to move the sixes that appear on the D and the G string if I'm playing this approach. In the key of G Dorian, and do this with every shape, then I automatically go across the whole fretboard horizontally. And this approach works on all string pairs. And here we are at the end of this video. And if you do not have already and like to support me, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm looking very forward to see you next time.